everyone. Happy New Year. It's meteorologist Kristin Giannas here in the Fox 35 Weather Center with a quick update on your forecast. Today, another unseasonably warm day, 82 degrees, shorts and t-shirt in order, lots of sunshine, and we're going to keep the rain out of the forecast today and tonight, dropping down to 65 degrees, partly cloudy skies. It looks like the next best chance of rain comes Friday. If you're going to be on the golf course, warm 79 degrees by noon, 81 degrees by 3. Here's that next front that sets up Thursday night, approaching the state. Friday crossing over central Florida. It looks like Friday night, 11 p.m., just before 11 p.m., right on top of Orlando Metro, continuing to push south. Behind that front, winds out of the northwest will pull down cooler, drier air. So more comfortable weekend with temperatures closer to where they should be for this time of year. We'll top off in the upper 60s on Saturday. Chilly wake-up temps Sunday morning in the 40s and about 50 degrees in Orlando, and sunny skies, 71 for the afternoon high on Sunday. You can see everything here on the 7-day forecast. Today, New Year's Day, 82 degrees, 81 tomorrow, making it to 83 on Thursday. 60% chance of rain by Friday. Again, it looks like Friday night, the passage of that cold front into early Saturday morning. But overall, temperatures will top off in the upper 60s, less humid for a change. Saturday, by Sunday, wall-to-wall sunshine, awesome weather, 71 degrees, beautiful first Sunday of 2019. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and thank you so much for downloading the Fox 35 Weather and Traffic app. We'll see you on Good Day Orlando.